how to make some good old-fashioned pancakes. Nothing says weekend more than some fresh homemade pancakes for breakfast. And did you know that you can make it in just 30 minutes with some simple ingredients? Now that will definitely make you think, why did you try this before? These are those simple recipes that you can actually teach your mom. Now isn't that cool? So let's get started. For making a basic pancake, the ingredients that we need are first 1 cup milk and 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 cup of white flour, some grated sugar, around 2 tablespoons of oil, so you can opt for vegetable oil or any oil of your choice, some salt. I'll actually prefer 1 egg if you are adding the white yolk also, but if you are not, then you can add 2 egg whites and some butter and a big bowl in which you can whisk the whole whatever items are added. And then for garnishing, you can actually add some honey. If you have maple syrup, go with it. And I have some Nutella here. Okay, and other than that, I have all dry fruits because I'm completely addicted to dry fruits. So this is some black raisins, some walnut, some almonds, some cranberries, some cashews, and some more raisins. So that is it. So we'll put a little bit of oil. If you added enough butter, then you can just skip this part. So after brushing the oil, we need to add the pancake batter. So here is the pancake batter. So just pour it. That would be enough. Put it in a low flame and just let it get fried for some time. So once you can see that you're able to flip it, you just do it. Right now I can see that it's still slippery, so it might break. The pancakes are ready. So now it's time for decoration. So I'll do something innovative from my end. You can skip this part also. So I've just put 1 spoon and 1 fork, which I guess is found in every household. So this is the final product. It just looks so yum and creamy and chocolatey. Just loving the texture here. So this is a hit for both kids and adult. It's a perfect Sunday breakfast which you can make in one go in just 30 minutes. So what are you waiting for? Just try it out and let me know whether you like it or not in the comment section. It's perfect. I'm feeling like Shilpa Shetty doing the Sunday binge. The only difference is that I cheat every day. Bye for now.